Is doing CA in more than 2 or 3 attempts a turn off? What's more important for CA? The wowness of the brand or the profile you get into? How's the lifestyle, and career opportunities in a tier 2 city like Jaipur and a fast paced city like Mumbai? Does or should marriage hold back a career progression? What changes did articleship from a top firm bring in her personality? What are different career options post CA? And is it okay to go for frequent shifts in jobs? Had this interesting and engaging conversation with one of our pass outs of the Wall Street School, CA Paridhi Jain, who cracked one of the highest pay packages of the Wall Street School from the placement cell in 2024 thus far. Hope you find the conversation as engaging and as insightful as I had with her. So let's watch this conversation. So hi Paridhi, good afternoon. Welcome to this special conversation with you.
Hello, sir. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. So definitely, it's a good day to connect on, on the interview. So yeah, I'm looking forward to the interview.
Fantastic. Interview process has already over. You've already got
yeah.
right? So it's going to be more of a conversation, about
Right.
you, your life, and
Right.
what lies ahead for you.
Right.
First of all, let me start with congratulating you for a superb placements. Right? That is one of the highest packages in recent years, from the Wall Street School. So it's also very gratifying feeling.
Yes. Thank you so much, sir. Definitely, the course and the guidance. At the end, you remember how I contacted you, like just before the interview, and so the whole process makes it very a good experience for me and a very unique experience. So as we move forward in the interview, I'll definitely share my experience, how the interview got set up, and then how the whole process took place. But then, yeah, worth the experience, worth giving it a try. So yeah.
Okay, fantastic. So let's start from the beginning. In case you could, tell something about yourself in terms of your background, your qualifications, what all you have done so far.
Yes. So by qualification, I'm chartered accountant, and I am based out of Jaipur. So I'm from Jaipur, Rajasthan. All my schoolings have been done from Jaipur. Post that, I joined CA, and then I started with my CA journey. I would say that all the CPT and IPCC have been done from the Jaipur itself, but then for articleship, I moved to Mumbai location. So from there, I started my articleship from Grant Thornton. I spent around 3 years in Mumbai, and then again for the CA finals, I came back to Jaipur. So once I cleared CA final, I joined my first organization, that was Deloitte USI, and then post that I joined EY. So my whole experience.
When did you clear your CA? Which year was that?
I cleared in December 21.
December 21, post COVID.
Yes, post COVID, right. So after that, I have 1.5 years of experience, and that is into the stat audit. So yeah, that's about my background in the profession then.
So let's start from the beginning. You started your CA journey from Jaipur, you said.
Yes, right.
So what are the different career options for students who have taken up commerce in their plus two? Coming from a city like a Jaipur or a tier 2 city, right? So
right.
Is CA the only option for a finance or a commerce student, or there are other options as well? But you were sure or clear that you want to do a CA?
So definitely, when I started my journey, I was clear that I would want to go ahead with the chartered accountancy only. But then,
in this profession?
Yeah, definitely. Matlab, my elder cousin brother, he is chartered accountant, and even my Tauji, so he's also chartered accountant. From Papa side family, like the paternal side family, these two are chartered accountant. But then when I say my maternal side, the whole family is in Bombay, and then every person is chartered accountant, I would say. So, but I had this thing कि chartered accountancy का environment कैसा होता है. So definitely वो picture तो था दिमाग में कि आगे कैसे move forward करना है.
So this was the only option you had कि after your plus two, you're supposed to go enroll for chartered accountancy course.
Not specifically. I had choice. मतलब like there is ACCA, then CFA, but the post graduation you start with the CFA. But then very concretely, I would say that CA was something that I chose to do. कि want to move in the CA, and then specifically जब ऐसे I was discussing this thing with my parents, so I had always dreamt I would do my articleship from Bombay. You know, मतलब ऐसे dream होता है CA students का, you know, to pursue their articleship from big firms or to move out of. Comparatively, Jaipur is a small city, right? So opportunity terms में, then talking to different people. तो वो ड्रीम था मेरा उस टाइम पे कि मैं आर्टिकलशिप करूंगी, तो आई विल डू इट फ्रॉम बॉम्बे ओनली, देन ओनली आई विल जॉइन सीए. तो ऐसे थोड़ा वैसे था. बट देन सो वही ना, पेरेंट्स बीइंग ऐसे जयपुर सिटी से, सो ऐसा थोड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल होता है स्टार्टिंग में. बट देन डेफिनेटली दे अग्रीड ऑन दिस, एंड देन आई क्लियर्ड आईपीसीसी, मूव टू बॉम्बे. तो वो जर्नी फिर वहां से स्टार्ट ऐसे बहुत कॉन्क्रीटली अच्छे से स्टार्ट होने लग गई.
Got it. So articleship you did from which firm?
Grant Thornton, GT.
Was it easy to crack GT, or was it through some reference, or you had some interview, or how was it?
Yeah. So reference definitely helped. So reference helped me in setting up the interview. But then after that, the interview process took place. All the basic things about the CA or what I've learned in IPCC, like how the interview process goes. So all those things were asked, and then I cleared that. So wahan se then it started. So.
And how much money was being paid to you as stipend?
So for the first year, I was paid around 8,000. So I say first year 8,000, second year I think 12, and then third year 14 or 16.
इतना मनी तो सफिशिएंट नहीं है सर्वाइव करने के लिए मुंबई में.
बॉम्बे में no, it was not sufficient. But then that is the learning ना, मतलब बॉम्बे में coming from the Jaipur, and then for the very first time living all alone in a new city. So वो I would say initially 6 months I felt it overwhelming कि you know, all the traveling, then traveling to the client places, or the case was with me in the first 6 months only. I had the opportunity of working on this outstation audit. So for around 1.5 months I was outside Mumbai, and then we have this, you know, starting the classes as well, so managing the classes along with this articleship. So sometimes it became quite difficult for me, and it is overwhelming in starting. But then as and when you move forward, so dheere dheere you start getting used to it, the traveling and then the workload along with the managing the classes. So yeah, matlab once I think everybody should go through this kind of learning, क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं life experiences यहीं से आते हैं. So definitely ये एक pointer रहेगा मेरे लिए.
Okay, so a Pariti Jain who was a student in Jaipur, and a Pariti Jain who did her articleship from Mumbai, what changed in that Pariti Jain?
Yeah, so one major thing I would say is confidence. So the Pariti Jain that was in Jaipur was little bit underconfident. So no experience of living on your own, and then you know, but I would say Jaipur में I haven't even traveled on my own. मतलब कहीं पर भी I have to go ना, so either friends होते थे या parents होते थे. But then when I shifted to Bombay, each and everything I have to do it on my own. मतलब I cannot ask someone to accompany me कि भाई मेरे साथ चलो, यहाँ पर चलो, वहाँ चलो. So वो confidence वहाँ से develop हुआ, and then in terms of talking to people, so इतना opportunity definitely I didn't get in Jaipur. So then I moved to Bombay, and then I started talking to each and everyone, like in terms of colleagues as well. So हर age group के लोगों से you have to talk. You have to, you know, in accounts department as auditor, you have to go and talk to each and everyone, and then how they reply to you, how the things move forward. So वो learning experience was great. So confidence, it started building from there, and then definitely वो communication and the confidence is something I would say was turning point for me. मतलब जो बॉम्बे का जर्नी हुआ, दैट वाज टर्निंग पॉइंट इन माय लाइफ. वो पर्सनालिटी में शिफ्ट वो बॉम्बे लेकर आया, आई वुड से.
Because tier 2 city, like I come from Ludhiana, so I
Okay.
resonate with what you're saying. Okay,
Right.
so from a sort of a laid back attitude which people have, and to the hustle and bustle of Mumbai, how was how was that experience, or were you prepared for it, or you wanted a life like that?
So definitely, Bombay is actually my Nanihal. So every year I used to visit Bombay. So somewhat I had how the Bombay city looks like, or how people in Bombay is actually like. In terms of the when you move to Bombay or when you are working in Mumbai, the people are here very competitive. They are very professional in whatever they do. So I was kind of looking forward to that life. So that was the one motivation that drive me to shifting from Jaipur to Mumbai location. So definitely I had that picture because I've seen it on every year, like when I visited to Mumbai. So yeah, but
Fair enough. ठीक है, तो you did your CA का training from Mumbai itself. So how did you sort of juggle your time?
I'm sorry.
Articleship with GT is demanding, right? So what was your routine during your articleship?
Okay. So when I shifted to Bombay, immediately we have to start our classes, right? So I joined JK Shah, which is one of the famous in Bombay. So there the classes used to be from 7 to 10 in morning. So I used to wake up around 6 a.m. and then get ready and then leave for the classes. And then I remember we reached my class like downstairs on the classes, so 6:30 a.m. And then we used to eat poha and the chai before the classes. The breakfast we used to have. So that मतलब थोड़ा मन लगा रहे क्लास के अंदर, ऐसे भूख ना लगे. So 7 to 10 classes होता था, and then after 10 all of us used to rush to our client location. So by metro or the local trains, everyone used to run and then catch their metros and the local trains and then reach to the client location. So being Big 4, Big 5, the GT is, तो वहाँ पर work pressure कभी ज़्यादा भी होता था, कभी कम, but then कम में भी I used to get free around 8, 7:38, or sometimes when work pressure is more high, so 9 to 10 हो ही जाता था. So वहाँ से from client location, then I reach back to my hostel around by 9 to 10, around 9 to 10. Then I used to have my dinner. So after dinner, what I used to do is, this is something that I learned from my grandfather. So what they used to do is, their routine starts early the next morning. So they used to take bath the day before in the night. So I followed the same routine. So again, when I came back from the work, I used to take bath at that point of time only, and then next morning I used to just get up, get ready, and just leave. So that routine I used to follow. So yeah, so that is what the routine was.
Fantastic. So you did your CA in first attempt?
No, not in the first attempt. I did took attempts.
But you continued your articleship with GT at that time?
No. So once the articleship got over, I shifted back to Jaipur for studying, and then the COVID happened. So उसके बीच में वो सारा वो जो भी attempt skip हुआ, and then shifting happened, right? COVID के कारण. So उसके बाद then I cleared in December 21.
Got it. So coming back to Jaipur from the life you had seen in Mumbai, so was it a cultural shock, or you wanted sort of a break and wanted to focus on your studies, or how was it?
So yeah, definitely when you live in Bombay, and that is true for 3 years, so somehow your routine and your brain works in a fast manner. So you want everything quick, मतलब ऐसे भागती दौड़ती जिंदगी हो जाती है आपकी जब आप बॉम्बे रहते हो, and then you get into that routine only. So when shifting from Bombay then to Jaipur, so that slow life in Jaipur, it kind of impacted me. एंड मेंटली ऑल्सो लिटिल बिट प्रेशर, मतलब ऐसे थोड़ा सा आता है ना कि क्या चल रहा है अभी जिंदगी में, इतना स्लो. एंड देन कोविड हैपेंड. सो कोविड के चक्कर में ऑल ऐसे घर पे बंद रहना, एंड देन वो पूरा पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई. सो वो बहुत मेंटली प्रेशर बहुत ज्यादा क्रिएट हो गया था उस टाइम पे. सो मैं बहुत सोचती थी कि उस टाइम पे आई वॉज नॉट अवेयर कि क्यों हो रहा है, मतलब वाई आई एम नॉट एबल टू फोकस बिकॉज इतना फास्ट लाइफ एंड देन स्लो लाइफ. एंड देन दिस कोविड थिंग हैपेंड, ऑल टाइम घर में रहना. एंड when I see people around, they were enjoying in COVID, मतलब लूडो खेल रहे हैं, and then मतलब and then we are serious students, हमें पता ही नहीं नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट कब लगने वाला है, अभी शिफ्ट हो जाएगा कि यही होने वाला है. सो बहुत प्रेशर उस टाइम पे क्रिएट हो गया था. सो मतलब ऐसे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था कि चल क्या रहा है जिंदगी में. डेफिनेटली वो एक बहुत डिफिकल्ट टाइम था. बट देन एज एन आई मूव फॉरवर्ड, आई काइंड ऑफ गैदर्ड माई सेल्फ एंड सी कि भाई अब जो है यही है, अब इसमें कुछ क्या कर सकते हैं. मतलब कोविड हो गया, या जो भी ये स्लो लाइफ का जो डिफरेंस आया, कल्चरल डिफरेंस आया, ये आई हैव टू डील विद इट. तो धीरे धीरे आई स्टार्टेड गैदरिंग माई सेल्फ, स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग कि भाई पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में कैसे अपने आप को लेकर आना है. आई स्टार्टेड बिल्डिंग माई रूटीन. सो यू नो स्टार्टेड फोकसिंग ऑन माई हेल्थ कि early I am early riser, so I started waking up around 4 to 5. So I used to go on my terrace and then so बोलते ना जो भी डिफिकल्ट चीज होती है सबसे पहले करके खत्म कर लो. तो थियोरी वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी, ऑडिट स्पेसिफिकली. तो व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू इज आई यूज्ड टू टेक माय नोट्स अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, 4-5 उठे एंड देन छत पे चले गए ऑन टेरेस, वो नोट्स लेके गए, वहां मस्त खुली हवा में घूमो एंड देन वो ऑडिट पढ़ते रहो. सो आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट. तो ऐसे मैंने छोटे छोटे आई फाउंड ऐसे छोटे छोटे से तरीके कि मैं कैसे स्टडीज को और इंटरेस्टिंग बना सकूं. So then also I found one another method where I used the revision videos of the teachers that they used to post on the YouTube. So what I used to do is I second ऐसे कभी walk पे जाना हुआ, तो what I used to do is I used to take that mobile phone, used to listen those videos and start memorizing those things कि भाई मेरे को अलग से टाइम नहीं इन्वेस्ट करना पड़े. तो ऐसे 2-3 ऐसे तरीके ढूंढ लिए. देन राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस. तो पहले क्या होता था, बहुत समझ नहीं आता आपको कि राइटिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो सीए का प्रिपरेशन. बट देन अल्टीमेटली धीरे धीरे यू स्टार्ट गेटिंग दी कि भाई राइटिंग इज समथिंग इवन इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू, मतलब इससे थ्योरी में होता था कि इवन इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग, व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू इज आई जस्ट यूज्ड टू राइट इट. मतलब ऐसे देख के चाहे मैं लिख लूँ, लेकिन मैं लिखूंगी जरूर. तो पता नहीं ऐसे मैंने कितने तो मैंने कॉपीज रजिस्टर सब भर दिए थे. बट देन उससे एक क्लैरिटी आनी चालू हो गई मुझे. मतलब ऐसा नहीं हुआ कि मैं बैठ के बस आई एम थिंकिंग कि यार क्या गलत हो रहा है, क्या सही हो रहा है, क्यों चीजें सही तरीके से नहीं चल रही. बट देन अल्टीमेटली वो जो 2-3 स्टेप्स लिए, उससे ऐसे धीरे धीरे ट्रैक पर आने लग गए. एंड देन ठीक है, फिर आगे पॉजिटिव रिजल्ट्स मिलने लग गए, आई पास्ड. तो फिर मैं सोचा था बढ़िया है, ऐसे ही करते हैं अपन, धीरे धीरे करेंगे. बट देन अल्टीमेटली एंड गोल तक पहुंचना है, चाहे कैसे ही करो. बट मेन मैटर तो यही करता है कि आप एंड गोल तक पहुंचो.
So clearing CA was more of a relief for you or more gratifying for you?
No, more of a relief तो I would say कि हाँ definitely एक जर्नी, एक इतनी ups and downs with all these obstacles in between. So definitely it was a relief for me. But then definitely sense of achievement, मतलब जो आपने सोचा कि एज मतलब जस्ट 12th पास आउट, आप इतनी छोटी एज में आप सोचते हो टू बिकम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट, एंड देन व्हेन यू अचीव दैट, तो एक सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट आता है कि यार कर सकते हैं, अब दुनिया में कुछ भी आ जाए, कोई भी चैलेंज आ जाए, चाहे कर लेंगे. तो वो एक अचीवमेंट, एक कॉन्फिडेंस वहीं से बिल्डअप होना चालू हो जाता है. तो या बोथ सेंस ऑफ अचीवमेंट एंड रिलीफ.
Fantastic. So after your CA in 2021, उसके बाद what was the thought process? What was the placement thing? You went to the ICE campus or you had some references in GT, or how did you apply?
Right. So with my last attempt in which I qualified December 21, post the attempt, what matlab I started applying for jobs. Like I didn't know if I would pass or not, but then randomly I started applying. So there was this placement drive that was going on for Deloitte USA. So I applied for it. I sat for the interviews. But a little bit I prepared, but then not with this thing in mind कि भाई मुझे pass होना ही है. Like I have to crack the interview just for the experience. कि भाई अब 2 महीना, I have this gap of 2 months or 3 months in between post result. So let's utilize it. Let's sit for an interview. Let's see how the interview goes. So then I applied for it. Then after all the interview process ended, I didn't receive any call from Deloitte USA. So I thought I didn't pass. But then when the result came out, I got call from Deloitte USA that have you passed the exams? So I say yes, I'm chartered accountant now. So they said, okay, you have an offer for this and this position and this pay. So I was like, on the day I became chartered accountant, I have job in hand. तो मतलब वो उसी दिन sense of relief ऐसे होता है ना एक कि सेट है, तो वो उधर से ही मतलब I would say कि everybody, those who have passed, मतलब they would start looking for job, and then on the day of chartered accountant, I became chartered accountant and I have job in hand. तो मतलब वो बहुत ही ऐसे sense of satisfaction बोलो, relief बोलो कि at least I have something in my hand. मतलब अब जिनमें for whatever interviews I'm going to be sitting for the next couple of months, at least एक sense of surety रहेगी कि if I couldn't crack those one, I have this one in my hand. So, but then definitely then ICI placement happened. So उसमें इतना positive result मुझे नहीं मिला because of the I think attempts इतना positively नहीं आया.
पर क्या biasness है अभी भी? Because हमारे time पर तो होता था that in case you are either both group single attempt or you are first attempt CA. मतलब ये दोनों criteria होते थे. And did you feel a sort of biasness because you were none of them?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm not getting the right placement from campus, or was it the case for other candidates also? कि उनको भी कुछ campus placement नहीं हुआ?
I would say मतलब I had that experience, so I would say yeah, definitely वो one of the criteria तो रहता ही है selection के लिए, और maybe वो interview process को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मतलब वो जो फर्स्ट लेवल सिलेक्शन होता है, मे बी एंट्री बैरियर कहीं ना कहीं वहाँ आता है, बट देन विद टाइम आई थिंक इट डजंट मैटर कि कितने अटेम्प्ट्स हुए, बिकॉज एट द एंड इट ऑल मैटर्स इज कि कितना स्किलिंग हुआ, आपने अपस्किल कितना किया, या आपका कम्युनिकेशन कैसा है. सो ऑब्वियसली आई थिंक फॉर स्टार्टर्स, फॉर फ्रेशर कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक ये मैटर करता है कितना अटेम्प्ट्स, single group, both groups. So yeah.
But the fact that you have done your articles from GT, did that create a positive sort of ambience for you?
Yes, definitely. Yeah. So for like for the Big Four organization, if I say so specifically for Deloitte USA, so when they offer any position to a fresher, they offer at a ASA 1. So Audit Senior Assistant 1. But then I was offered at the second position, so second level position, because of my articleship at GT. So I think definitely it matters if you get your articleship from a top tier firms, because during a training period only you have experienced that corporate culture, and then you know how things work in this big organizations, and definitely it helps you in improving your communication, in getting the experience how these big organizations work. So वो कहीं ना कहीं the big organization take it as a plus pointer कि if I hire this person, then he or she knows how things work in our kind of organization or big organization. तो एक settle in होना थोड़ा easy हो जाता है, कंसिडरिंग कितना रिगरस कल्चर होता है ऑफ बिग फोर्स और बिग 5, बिग 6. सो वो एक पॉजिटिव फैक्टर रहता है कि सर्वाइव कर लेंगे फॉर द लॉन्ग टर्म. तो या तो डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं बिग फोर्स के लिए तो आई थिंक वो मैटर करता ही है इफ यू हैव आर्टिकलशिप फ्रॉम गुड फॉर्म.
Got it. So after your CA, you got a job on the day you became a CA, right?
Right.
So did profile matter to you at that time? Ki what profile I'm getting into, or you were just wowed by the fact that Deloitte has offered me?
So yeah, initially I was wowed by the fact that I have the job in my hand, and to be very honest, at that point of time, that was I would say that was something I, I did a mistake of not researching enough on all the different profiles that are there that is being offered to chartered accountant. So yeah, matlab, first profile that was offered to me was audit, and by natural, I think as and when you become chartered accountant, the majority is like audit में घुस जाते हैं. So you know, for entry is easy, maybe मतलब घुसना easy है. So definitely उस time पे I haven't thought कि इतना भाई और भी profiles है. You know, different profiles I should apply for. I should prepare for different profiles. वो मेरी mistake थी. I mean, definitely I wouldn't say कि ऐसा market में चलता है, but then that was my mistake. So
why would you say that? Why would you say that joining audit was a mistake?
मतलब at that point of time I didn't research enough. मतलब अगर मैं और research करती तो definitely शायद मैं कुछ और steps ले लेती. But then जो हुआ, I'm not you know regretting that, क्योंकि वहाँ से भी मुझे बहुत अच्छे learnings भी मिलकर आए. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि गलती वैसे हो गई, but then जो सोच होनी चाहिए थी, correct thinking जो होनी चाहिए थी with respect to कि और profiles I should have researched upon.
Like what? Like what?
Like FP&A, like the financial planning and analysis, or right now where I'm moving into the valuation, or FDD, financial due diligence, and और भी मतलब कितनी और opportunities है that are being offered to CA. So I think जब अगर वैसा होता तो I should have, मतलब वैसे मैं और ध्यान देती तो अच्छा होता, मतलब एक माइंडसेट अच्छा होता उस टाइम पे, कि करेक्ट माइंडसेट होता. If I'm making sense or not.
That's okay. I understood your point, because तब तक, as I said, the boundness of getting into one of the big fours is वो होता है as a CA मुझे इस तरह की companies में वो करना है. And how it was in Mumbai?
No, so Deloitte USA was in Pune.
Okay.
Yeah, and my experience, I would say, बहुत unique experience रहा with USA, because I think in my first client only I got the opportunity of communicating with the US clients only. So in USA you get the opportunity of communicating with the US counterparts, मतलब the Deloitte members only, not with the clients. मतलब बहुत initial आप नए घुसते हो तो आपको नई opportunity मिलती. So the client that I worked upon, so उसमें मुझे opportunity मिली because of the difficulty. So I got the opportunity of even communicating with the US partner and then the US client as well. So उससे कहीं ना कहीं confidence with respect to speaking in English, or maybe that communication factor कहीं ना कहीं वो improve हुआ and वो confidence develop हुआ. And the difficulty that I faced, and then coming out of it with respect to that financial transaction, so that was also great learning for me, because एक first client आप नए घुसते हो तो आपको लगता है ठीक है धीरे धीरे होगा, pressure धीरे धीरे आएगा, but then वो first client भी इतना ऐसे हो गया. So and then successfully बाहर आते हो तो वो confidence अपने आप बढ़ जाता है. तो आई थिंक वो एक बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी था मेरे लिए, तो वो एक्सपीरियंस एकदम बूस्ट कर गया मेरे लिए.
Alright, ठीक है. And how long did you work with Deloitte?
I worked for around 1 year with Deloitte USA, and then उसके बाद I shifted to EY. So EY was in Jaipur. So yeah.
So अच्छा, Mumbai, liking Mumbai, back to Jaipur, going to Pune, now back to Jaipur. And why Jaipur now?
So that point of time, due to some family emergency, I had to move back to Jaipur, and then EY had just started their operation from the Jaipur location. So I applied there, and the position was vacant. So all the interviews cleared,
and then was that?
Yeah, that was also audit, but then financial services sector. So
Got
वो
it.
TA,
So it was
yeah.
more of a compulsive choice rather than the gradual progression for you.
Not compulsion choice, but then because of this emergency, I had to shift to Jaipur. So at that point of time, I thought, what is the best I can do for myself in Jaipur?
Mhm.
Considering the background, GT and then Deloitte.
And how has been the work culture? You work with GT, you work with Deloitte, you work with EY, right?
uh, yeah.
Unbiased, unfiltered answer. Which work
Uh-huh.
culture you have liked the best or the worst? In terms of
Best of
best to worst, in terms of sequence, right?
uh, so definitely that is it's a controversial answer to make, but then in terms of work, I would say that each and every organization works in somewhat similar manner, and the kind of the deadlines they have, and definitely in terms of experience, I would say it depends on each and every person, like how the teams are, like to which team they are associated with, to which client they are plotted to. So when I said Deloitte USIS, so I think I haven't heard anyone who has got this opportunity of interacting with the US partner on their very first client. So that makes a very positive thing for me. And then with the EY also, I started working on different areas which I haven't not done in the articleship and then with the Deloitte. So in starting only they allotted me these areas and मतलब putting that trust in me कि हाँ चलो कर लेगी. So I think each and every organization is different and it's totally depends on your experience. मतलब team के ऊपर भी and then client to which you are plotted. So yeah.
You're going to grow in corporate because you have conveniently, diplomatically ducked this answer.
Yeah. No. But
And I
then
think it's more irrespective of the organization because I've also worked with one of the big fours. I was
okay.
worked with McKinsey also. I think it's more to do with the people that you work with and your boss.
Right.
In case your boss is
Right.
good, irrespective of whichever organization you work with, I think it makes
Yes.
for a
Yes.
great,
Yes.
great analysis.
Yes. Right. At the end of the day, it's only every job is, I think, the people's job. So मतलब it's not like कि आप finance में हो तो आपको लोग you are not going to interact with people. But then definitely मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि uh, abhi at this point of time, along with the definitely the technical skills, I specifically if I would say me and then ऐसे मैं किसी को recommendation भी दूँ तो start मतलब I should start focusing on how to deal with people. That is मतलब आगे जाने के लिए this is one of the good thing if you know how to talk and how to मतलब आपको कुछ काम भी करवाना हुआ तो how politely you should say और कुछ भी हो मतलब every job is people's job. कहीं पर भी चले जाओ.
Have you faced any office politics so far in your career, or you've heard of it? Some nasty stories of office politics, irrespective of the organizations, and you may choose not to speak about a particular name of the organization that you work with.
Name of the organization that I've worked with. मतलब
No. What I'm saying is that have you been subject to any nasty politics in the companies that you work with at your end, or you've heard of stories of some nasty politics?
मतलब yeah, here and there is politics. I wouldn't say that there is not, but then specifically to me, no. I haven't experienced anything at that sort of kind of thing. मतलब all I think from starting only my focus was always कि अपना काम करो, मतलब do your job and then always communicate your seniors whatever you are doing and then let them decide what is right, what is wrong. So ज़्यादा मतलब ऐसे not talking here and there about the shitty things, maybe कुछ भी बोल देना और वो सब. So I was always clear about that. So I haven't faced anything that sort of.
So that grooming happened during your articleship period in GT, or
Yeah. So definitely वो GT experience helped, and then obviously during your articleship, I think you connect with your seniors more. मतलब आप because of your student life and then entering into the corporates and then getting that flavor of corporate. So you are quite naive at that point of time. So you connect to your seniors, your immediate seniors who had just freshly became chartered accountant and just joined the corporate. So you, the first interaction or the first point of contact are them only. तो उनसे काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. So yeah, so वो grooming and that learning definitely helped in staying in the 3 organizations. Yeah.
Got it. So EY में how long you worked?
I worked for around 6 to 7 months with EY. Again, the reason was my wedding, which happened in January 24. So for that, I had to leave EY. So yeah.
Got it. Okay. Again, a situation I think most of the females face earlier than the males do, right? So marriage, then you moved to Mumbai.
Yes. So post wedding,
did not EY give you a choice to move to Mumbai along with them, or?
No. So basically, I left EY because at that point of time the location was not finalized. So because of husbands, he was deciding whether to go to Bangalore or the Bombay, and definitely I thought at that point of time EY, leaving EY at this point of time is good, because considering the marriage is there and then settling into the new life. Also, there was this thought, I have done audit for 4-5 years now. Is there any new opportunity for me? But that thought process started coming from there only. So I thought ki this is the right thing to do right now. Let's quit EY right now and then move into my new life and then see where this goes. And I wanted to, वो thought process जब EY छोड़ रही थी तब था कि audit में continue करना है तो let's continue in EY. But then was not sure. And then with respect to the location as well, not sure कि कहाँ जाना होगा. So वो भाई confusion and everything was there. So thought of leaving EY at that point of time.
Got it. So तब तक, so you work with GT, you work with Deloitte, you work with EY, all in audit experiences. तो अभी तक आपने डिसाइड किया था कि यार मुझे यही करने आगे, या अभी तक क्लियर नहीं था कि this is what you are wanting to do?
So yeah, so after the wedding, when everything got settled, I again started thinking, now what, मतलब अब career में आगे क्या? So I thought कि audit I have done for 4-5 years. Now let's see what all other opportunities are available to me. मतलब अभी वो जो मुझे starting में सोचना चाहिए था as chartered accountant, वो at this point of time I started thinking कि what are the opportunities that are available to me as chartered accountant. ऐसा तो नहीं है as CA you have to do audit only or taxation only या फिर accounting only. So there are multiple opportunities out there. So I started researching. Then I researched about this FP&A profile. तो मैंने इसके बारे में सीखना चालू किया कि ये क्या होता है. तो पता तो लगे, मतलब ऐसे अप्लाई भी करूँ. So पहले मुझे तो पता होना चाहिए कि करते क्या है. So FP&A के बारे में I researched about FDD. Then करते I landed upon the valuation. So during my CA time only, I had known कि Wall Street School is one platform which offers this course valuation. But then obviously वो CA चल रहा था, so was pretty much engaged in the preparation of CA only. Then I talked with my husband. So he is also into corporate. So वो कहीं ना कहीं वो एक same level का आता ही है. So he motivated me कि why not give it a try, कि कुछ learn करना है, upskill करना है. It is the right time. मतलब if I join audit, it will be for the long term. Now I cannot say that I want to move to another profile, because till this point of time I have 1.5 years of experience that is in audit. So I'm still very new in my career. मतलब अभी भी switch करना है, कहीं और जाना है. I can very easily move on to the new profile. So my husband kind of motivated me कि if there is requirement, then start learning, upskilling yourself. जो जिसमें मन लग रहा है या जो भी ऐसे प्रोफाइल अट्रैक्ट कर रही है. YouTube is something जहाँ मतलब ऐसे you have all the information around on YouTube on all the profiles. तो थोड़ा YouTube पे research I did, and then I got myself enrolled in the course of the Wall Street School, Investment Banking and Valuation. So I did that, and then I kind
I just
of
lost you.
enjoyed.
Can you repeat the last 10 seconds of what you said? I just lost
Uh,
you.
yeah, so I joined the investment banking and the valuation course at the Wall Street School, uh, and so I would say that I joined the self-paced course, not the live one, because of because of the new life and then married life. So thoda time management could not be made, and so I thought of learning it on my own. So I took the self-paced course. Uh, Definitely self-paced में so I called everybody from the Wall Street. So I had conversation with every damn person I think in the Wall Street. Even you guys have your centers in Jaipur as well. So I contacted Vaibhav from the Jaipur. So he gave me the career counseling at that point of time. I showed him my CV. I showed him my experience. He proposed that he start first, if you want to move into this course, start with the YouTube. YouTube, you guys have uploaded many videos on YouTube regarding this course. So I understood what this course was offering, and then I got myself enrolled. I became confident कि हाँ मुझे अब तो यही करना है और सीखने में क्या जा रहा है, मतलब सीखेंगे. So I got myself enrolled in this course. I started learning everything, और I enjoyed it. मतलब ऐसे, even though it was self-paced, but then kind of I found it very interesting. मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि boring लग रहा था किसी भी point of time पर, क्योंकि self-paced था तो थोड़ा सा ऐसे interaction point of view से थोड़ा कम, right? So self-paced में भी I was enjoying, and then definitely I started moving कि भाई अभी मेरे को ऐसे confidence आने लग गया that I want to move into the valuation profile only. So I completed it, and then obviously with the placement help that you guys provide, तो उससे मुझे this good opportunity that I get. So मतलब in and all I would say great experience for me कि वो जो gap आया या वो जो break मैंने लिया, कहीं ना कहीं जो thought process था वो एक मतलब कहीं ना कहीं it was fruitful. मतलब ऐसा नहीं था कि waste गया कि इतना CA किया 1.5 साल का, मतलब 1.5 years I worked and then left, and then again I thought कि दूसरी profile. So ये जो पूरा up and down was, so it was all worth it कि at the end I am now associated with a good profile, with a good company, and I have confidence now कि I want to build career in this profile only. तो जो अब किया वो सोच समझ कर किया. So I think it's a great start for me now. Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, I mean, if I just peruse through the sort of experience that you have had, so 1 year in Deloitte, 6 months in EY,
Right.
stop, start, वैसे रहा
Right.
था. And then of course
Right.
marriage happens, and especially with the females, कहीं ना कहीं पर stop हो जाता है, and then you sort of
Right.
restart it again. Right? तो
Right.
कहीं ना
Right.
कहीं पर लग रहा था कि यार maybe कि सही से चीजें नहीं चल रही हैं, स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है, और शायद अब मुझे कुछ तो करना है इसके लिए.
Right. So that was the thing ना, मतलब अभी if I see from the long term point of view, that was clear. I want to be in job, मतलब working तो रहना ही है चाहे कुछ हो जाए. But क्या ऐसा है कि कुछ भी काम करना है, मतलब कि ठीक है बस एक काम करने के लिए काम करना है, तो वो भी नहीं था. तो I thought कि ऑडिट अभी हो गया, मतलब कर लिया ऑडिट, देख लिया, समझ लिया, सीख लिया, और आंसर फिर नो आ रहा था कि लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए ऑडिट इज नॉट फॉर मी. मतलब समझ आ गया था वो. या
If you were to go back to the Pardi of December 21 when she became a chartered accountant, is there anything different that you would have done at that time than what you did? Or in a way you would want to give any advice to the future CAs when they qualify?
Okay. Yeah, sure. So with respect to anything that I would want to change, मतलब all the mistakes that I did, I would say that they turned out to be the biggest learning for me. मतलब कहीं ना कहीं वो patience or perseverance.
What was that mistake? Mistake of choosing a wowness of a brand than the profile?
No, the profile wise, मतलब कि considering कि I can for the long term I can be associated with the audit. मतलब audit मिल रहा है तो audit ले लो and then चलता है, मतलब kind of attitude जो starting में था. But then वो mistake हुई, वो अच्छी हुई, because ये जो time था कहीं ना कहीं अगर मैं तब नहीं करती तो मुझे इसकी अहमियत, importance of the कि आगे ऐसे सोचने वाली चीजें जो होती है वो मैं नहीं कर पाती. सो डेफिनेटली वो जो भी हुआ, आई वुड से दैट डेफिनेटली इट वाज अ गुड थिंग फॉर मी, बिकॉज all the mistakes कहीं ना कहीं it was a learning experience for me. And as and when you grow ahead in your career, तो वो कहीं ना कहीं will help me in my future, right? So that was the thing. And for the future chartered accountants, I would say definitely uh, CA is one hell of a journey. मतलब sometimes what we do is कि ऐसे कोसते हैं कि सी क्या है, इतना पढ़ना पड़ता है, ये होता है वो होता है, इतना रिग्रेस कोर्स है और वो सब. बट देन when you become chartered accountant and जब when you enter the professional world, तो आई थिंक वो जो पेशेंस दैट यू मेंटेन फॉर दैट पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ना सीए की जर्नी में, वो कहीं ना कहीं इज प्रिपेयरिंग यू फॉर दैट फ्यूचर. सो सो आई थिंक वो होना बहुत जरूरी है. मतलब नहीं तो अभी बहुत इफ समवन सेज कि सीए 1 साल का ही कोर्स होता है, 1 साल में आप सीए बन जाते हैं, तो उसकी कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं होती. आपको आगे जो चैलेंजेस आने वाले हैं, बिकॉज इट्स अ कॉम्पिटिटिव वर्ल्ड आउट हियर, राइट? सो उसको सरवाइव करने के लिए आज पेशेंस, पर्सिवरेंस और वो डिटर्मिनेशन होना जरूरी है. और फेलियर तो आएंगे ही, चाहे अभी नहीं आए, बाद में आ जाएंगे, कभी आ जाएंगे. बट देन failure will help you, overcoming those mistakes, और maybe जो आपकी कमियां है उनसे ओवरकम करने में हेल्प करेगा. एंड देन you'll be more better version of yourself. तो ऐसे धीरे धीरे करके जो भी मिस्टेक्स और जो भी फेलियर्स आते हैं, दे हेल्प यू इन बिल्डिंग द बेटर वर्जन ऑफ योरसेल्फ. सो आई थिंक वो कोर्स को अप्रिशिएट मैं भी करती थी. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं भी बोलती थी क्या है, इतना पढ़ना पड़ता है, इतने घंटे पढ़ो और ये सब, एंड देन एंड में कुछ श्योरिटी भी नहीं. बट देन आज आई एम रियलाइजिंग दैट इट्स अ गुड थिंग दैट हैपेंड, कि all the failures that happened, and then coming at this point of time, हर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में, लाइफ में हर पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम में वो पेशेंस होना बहुत जरूरी है, तभी आप आगे सक्सेसफुल हो पाओगे. तो आई थिंक वो वन ऑफ द मेजर लर्निंग्स है. And yeah.
And you are a CA with almost 3 years of experience now, more than that, almost. Do you think it makes a difference that you are not a first attempt CA?
No, I don't think so. It makes any difference now. Starting में जरूर it would have it was making difference with respect to the opportunities. But then as and when you move forward, the all that matters is your experience, and then your attitude towards learning and towards the challenges that you face in your organization. मतलब if you're open enough to the challenge and then want to learn new things, then I think sky is the limit. मतलब जहाँ चाहो वहाँ जा सकते हो आप.
Fantastic. And any further study plans that you have? How do you keep yourself upgraded and upskilled?
Yeah, definitely. मतलब अभी तो I'm starting with this new job, so would want to understand the profile and then move forward in it. But whenever there is any requirement, upskilling, I understood the importance of upskilling. So right now, कि कितना जरूरी था upskilling करना with respect to this valuation. Then only I landed this opportunity. अगर मैं सोचती भी नहीं कि अच्छा मुझे improvement करना है, तो भी opportunity भी नहीं आती. So definitely I understood the importance of it, and then when I move forward in my career, if there is any requirement, वो उस point of time पे I'll decide कि what should I learn more, और बहुत changes हो रहे हैं अब तो. Let's see.
The interview, what those people having a bit of a jittery feeling that you have changed your jobs quite a while, very frequently, or they were okay with it?
No, I think they were okay with it. मतलब I don't remember. They have asked me even this कि Deloitte में 1 year only, and then with EY 6 months only. So why this shift? Why this change? Uh, so at the end, it all matters like how the interview goes. Uh, and with my previous interviews as well, this is one pointer. Definitely, it's one pointer that people do ask in interview, why you are shifting from Deloitte to EY or from EY then you left. So you should have a reason for it. मतलब ऐसे बहुत randomly, मतलब ऐसे क्या बोले कि बहुत randomly you have taken the decision, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. So I had my good reason for it कि Deloitte family emergency था and then EY marriage के लिए. So I think they were okay. मतलब other interviewers were okay with it, and for specifically for this interview, I would say they haven't asked me about this.
Got it. Great, Paradeep. Thanks for this conversation. You've been as candid and lucid and as diplomatic, right?
Yeah, right.
So,
It was really, really nice
it was
opportunity
very
for
critical
me.
for us also because this is for this year. This is our highest placement so far.
Oh, great.
So
Great.
I'm very happy with this as well, and making
Okay.
sort of a great career ahead. So I'll
Uh-huh.
looking forward to seeing you reach even greater heights. And wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Let's do
Thank
that.
you so much.
And thanks
Thank
for taking out
Thank
time
you.
for this.
Thank you so much, sir.